ElecGear released the replacement joystick module for Ally X, 2 editions, Basic and Pro. They both come with TMR joysticks. The Basic is calibrated by official Armoury Crate, while the Pro comes with additional MCU can be finely calibrated out of Armoury Crate. Normally, the Basic works with most games like stock sticks do. The Pro is for gamers who want to customize the outer range and a precise center. We're unboxing the Basic edition. We included the Teflon tape for 2 purposes. Shut it down. Unscrew the 6 screws. Pry open the back cover with the plastic tool. Pay attention to this flex cable. Flip up the cover of FPC connector and pull out the cable. Unscrew the 3 screws. Take out the old PCB assembly. The cap fits the shaft very loosely with a large gap. This is a typical quality control issue of Ally X. Cut a small piece of Teflon tape. Paste it on the shaft. Insert the cap and install the new module. We're calibrating the new module. Press CC button to command center. Set the control mode to gamepad. Press AC button to go to Armoury Crate settings calibration. Choose left or right stick. You're calibrating. Press it to start calibrating. This is how it was calibrated. Open the Gamepad Tester webpage to see it in detail. It works fine. The center is seriously at the center. The outer range goes in a circle. It is how the AC calibration works. However, we think it's not the best. It will be better if we add some margin at the 45 degrees. That is the second purpose of the Teflon tape. Wrap 2 circles around the neck of thumbstick cap. Go to Armoury Crate to calibrate it again. Take away the Teflon tape after calibration. Finally, the outer circle comes with about 8% margin. It's the best calibration for most games.